Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about our HVAC system and our dehumidifier that gives us this oh so cool temperature in Texas, even in the summer, as well as gives us a little bit of warmth in the occasional time that we get super cold here in Texas. And it's crucial for the way we install clear bra / paint protection film and ceramic coatings requires a good temperature control, and I'm going to show you how we do that, and I'm going to show you how we manage that. All right, you'll see here our nice Corvette metal art, which one of our clients bought for us because we did used to have a Corvette, and I'll try to tell little stories like that as we go through our shop. But what we have here is a Daikin, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but it's an 18,000 BTU unit for a garage that's only 400 square feet. So this cools off the garage really, really well. And we control that. There's going to be an iPad coming here soon, but we control that with this Cilio Breeze smart system, because everything that we have is tied into smart things, meaning not the brand, but you just Alexa and so forth. I didn't want to trigger her voice, but anyway, so we have a remote control here, which allows us to control from the phone or by voice. And you can see that this unit is plumbed through the brick, and outside you got to keep your coils clean, which we try to do pretty frequently. And so this unit is probably more than we need, but we would rather have it working less than straining itself, especially in the summer when it gets to be 100 and some degrees out here in Texas. And that brings us to our next piece, which is our dehumidifier. We actually bought this Honeywell dehumidifier from Home Depot when we first opened the business, because humidity drastically affects the ability to install ceramic coatings. And so we got this, and it's been a total workhorse for us. It's also plugged into its own outlet, as we mentioned in the power video, and pretty much everything in this shop is controlled by a smart plug. I think there's 40 smart plugs in here or something like that. But anyway, so we got this smart plug, it's plugged in, and it's not on right now because the shop door is open. And then the final piece of the puzzle really is we have, we know with the humidity and the temperature, you can see it's pretty warm given that it's mid-October here. In the summertime, it's even worse. So we do have this to kind of tell us, and you do see some fans up there. We typically turn the giant fans on when we're doing a job that requires us to have the door open. We don't use them super often. There's really not a need. And then that's an air filtration system, and that's not part of the climate control. So we hope that you got some ideas maybe for cooling off your shop. I think we paid maybe $3,500 to $4,000 in 2021, for all of that stuff that you just saw. And it was definitely worth it. It's probably one of my favorite modifications to this garage.